This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. Let's start off by talking about clothes. Do you enjoy shopping for clothes?
Yes, I do enjoy shopping for clothes. I find it exciting to see the latest trends and sometimes get inspiration for my personal style. However, I try not to shop too often as it can be easy to overspend or buy things I don't really need.
What type of clothes do you like to wear?
I prefer wearing comfortable but stylish clothes like jeans, casual shirts, and sneakers. I like outfits that I can wear in different situations, so I often go for simple designs that look good anywhere. For work or formal events, I switch to something more polished, like a dress or blazer.
Do you think fashion is important?
To some extent, yes. Fashion is important because it allows people to express themselves and their personality. But I also think people shouldn't feel pressured to follow every trend. It's more important to wear what feels right.
How has your style changed over time?
My style has definitely changed over the years. In my teenage years, I wore bright colors and bold patterns, but now I go for more neutral tones and classic styles. I think as I've grown older, I've come to appreciate simple and comfortable clothing over trendy or flashy pieces.
Do you think people in your country dress differently from other countries?
Yes, I think people in my country do dress differently compared to other countries, especially for traditional events or celebrations. For instance, during festivals, it's common to see people wearing traditional outfits that represent our culture and heritage, which is something that's less common in Western countries.
That's the end of part one. Now we are going to move to part two. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a special gift you have received. You should say what the gift was, who gave it to you, why it was special, and how you felt when you received it.
One of the most special gifts I've received was a handmade scrapbook from my best friend. She gave it to me on my birthday a few years ago, and it was filled with photos, notes, and small souvenirs from trips we'd taken together. She spent a lot of time making it, adding decorations and personal messages on each page. I could tell she put a lot of thought and effort into making it, which made it even more meaningful to me. This gift was incredibly special because it held so many memories we'd shared over the years. Looking through the pages, I was reminded of all the fun times we'd had, from road trips to little moments of laughter and support. The scrapbook really showed how well she knew me and how much she valued our friendship. When I received it, I felt incredibly grateful and emotional. It's not every day that someone gives you something so thoughtful and personal. The fact that she took the time to make it by hand rather than buying a gift meant a lot to me. Every time I look at it, I feel happy and appreciative of the wonderful friendship we share. Since receiving it, I've kept the scrapbook in a safe place, and it's something I treasure dearly. It reminds me of the importance of meaningful gifts that come from the heart, as well as the value of true friendships.
Now we are going to move to part three. We are going to continue to talk about gifts. Do you think giving gifts is important in relationships?
Yes, I believe giving gifts can be an important way of showing appreciation and care in relationships. A thoughtful gift can make the other person feel valued and recognized, strengthening the bond between people. It doesn't have to be something expensive. Even small, meaningful gestures can show someone that they're in your thoughts. In the end, the gesture itself is often more meaningful than the gift.
What kinds of gifts are popular in your culture?
In my culture, gifts that have a personal touch are highly appreciated. For example, handmade items, personalized keepsakes, or anything with sentimental value is popular. On special occasions like weddings, people also give practical gifts like home items or money, which can be very useful. Recently, restaurant gift card or concert tickets have also become popular as people value creating memories.
Why do you think people keep certain gifts for a long time?
I think people keep certain gifts for a long time because those items hold emotional value or remind them of important memories. Gifts from close family members or friends often represent a strong bond, so people may cherish them deeply. Sometimes gifts can also symbolize a meaningful milestone, like a graduation or anniversary, making them hard to part with.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.